What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. So today we are going to go to my previous organization. Where I used to work and collect my. To clear out some things, submit my locker, and clear out my uniform. Now I'm going to catch a train from here, and then clear there. Show you Marine Drive also. Yesterday it was quite raining pretty well, so I'll catch a AC train now. I have a pass also. I just removed it last 10 initial days remaining. So yesterday's one bag was tearing around. Yesterday it was raining after 3 to 4 days. After the vlog which I uploaded yesterday night. So right now the clouds are very clear. So cannot guarantee. We'll wait. The bag strap is also gone. One side. I'll get that fixed also. I have to go and I have to meet the HR and get the papers done clear. Whatever is the process to start the process of my full and final thing. So I have that side the platform train coming, the AC train, and that's where this way slow train comes. I have to go on the third bridge to take the counter. It might come on 5 as well. So the announcement is that. Now it's leaving from platform number 5, so I have to go a bit more that side. This is the 4th bridge which has been built now. So there were altogether 3. The 2 years ago now a new bridge opened. So now this will be the connecting path. Just reached now the station. Just go and go from inner side. 4 stops there. I can catch any time the train. There's no crowd enough. Initially I had now the train was 3 minutes late to Churchill. Expected time was around 12:09. This is the place where I go. This is the place 1. The other side you have a Sydenham College, and if you go forward there is Jai Hind College. I'll just show you. That's the Sydenham College. You go here. This is all the locality here. So basically this road is called B Road. B Road. So this directly connects you to the Marine Drive, and the station is 5 minutes away. We have the Maharashtra Law College also behind. Show you Jai Hind College also as well. It's very hot, but due to trees, the climate is cool here. The weather. So here you have 2 roads. Connecting to Marine. I have another also lane connecting you to directly to Marine. This is the University Hall, the one on the side. Which the hostel also, as well as a canteen also. And that's the Jai Hind College. The entrance is from that side. So the good news is that I have completed my clearance and now I'm free. They might be calling me for full and final. with the experience letter on next month. Right now I will be going to Marine Drive and sitting in a cafe and having some proper lunch. Let's see. How should I go to Marine Drive? To cross Marine Drive also as well. Let's go. I think so. I should go there and have some. I will just have a tea or coffee and then leave. It was pretty good. Tough to say goodbye, and they were so happy once while I was coming to meet them. That's the Pizza by the Bay. That's another round. That's right. I think so. It's the right time to cross. Just so nothing has changed. I mean, it's the same thing. I mean, the crowd is more now in the afternoon comparatively. It's Friday, so it's expecting to be less crowd on the sunny days. So now they have barricades put there. Earlier people used to cross from there. So it's since been a year. Now this is Marine Drive. I just got a spot to sit here at Marine Drive. It's very sunny also. The weather is also pleasant. It's not that sunny. I might be having something to eat. It's good Marine Drive. I'm sitting on a bottom edge. I'll just show you the front view also. So right now I'm sitting here. It's the sea, and if you could look there, there's that underground thing which connects very quick, and all the views. That's the crowd there, just walking. Sit probably for a while. That's all to show at Marine Drive. Like, I mean, I was not expecting to be crowded that much. People are here roaming around on a Friday afternoon also. It shows the craze is still there. Again, I have to cross to find somewhere a spot to eat for myself. Probably have a coffee and then have food to eat. So now I have come to another side. Now I go to look that side. That's the Brabourne Stadium, the old one. And this is the Ambassador Hotel, the one which has the rotating restaurant on the top. So this is another lane. Like, this also connects to the station. So now here, besides I have Tanishq besides me, and then just go here and there. Station is just walkable distance. It's the third. That's the main road. But that too are I mean the shortcut way to Marine Drive. When you have to go to Pizza by the Way and then cross, because they've built now the walls. I mean, to cross the Marine Drive. So earlier people used to cross in the middle only. Now they have done a good thing for finding a good spot. And this is another hotel. That's the Chateau Windsor Hotel. You have good, pretty hotels besides Marine Drive also. I will just say, I mean, I had a plan to visit more of Mumbai, explore inside, but right now I'm a bit scared because the crowd might get crowd while traveling back to Vasai. So I'm a bit scared on that. So that's why I'm traveling a bit early. I think so. I might be sticking to this for a coffee right now. I just sat in a bar. So I'm just thinking what to have. I can go for an iced tea and then car is also full. Phone is also getting restarted. Once when you go to look back again at those things, I mean working again, just brings back the old memories. I mean I had a colleague telling me that you people are missed. I mean strong people are going. It's good to work and it's good to know that okay somebody has realized their value, our value. I mean another staff are also. Wow. Okay. So I ordered a garlic bread with cheese and iced tea, company with eat and let's see how is it. It's good with it. Goes good with iced teas. Real light snack. Then the total bill was around what? Under 500. It's a good deal. I mean, it's just a portion of garlic bread. It's around 200, 245. Gets expensive here in this. Go to this kind of restaurants. The iced tea was also good. Not here for a review. I mean, let's catch the train. I mean, you have. I mean, we will start to see crowd now. The evening also. Cannot say. So, 411 something. I mean, today's day, guys, come to see, very good day I had, but there's some memories as I told. We still remember to come here and work, my God, and I will miss the train. Churchgate main station. And from here also I can catch a train. From anywhere I can catch. The main problem will be if I get an empty train. That's the Asiatic departmental store. Yeah, I have a pass, so I don't have to worry about catching a train. I can get anything unless and until it's valid up to till Vasai it's valid. Let's see now what I can do. So I told you there are two exits. So you have a Burger King also here beside. So this one. That's Cafe Bharat there. It's one of the most popular snack joints there. Then here you have Burger King behind me. That's outside the station only. So take a right in Churchgate station. I showed you Marine Drive. It's the law college what I was talking about. I hope I get a seat to sit. Now catch a regular train only. I'm getting late. Oh, okay, it's empty. I can catch the train. Got an empty train finally. I hope this will reach me in 5:30.